Logistics SAP S4HANA training session. And first, we will discuss that how we will go ahead with the course. Okay, in that I will first explain you. Yes, I will share my screen. First, I will explain you that how we are going to show you the course content. Amir, are you able to see?
Yes, yes, I'm able to see.
Yeah. First, I want to make the expectations very clear. Actually, course in SAP S4HANA is not like the traditional MM course that we do. Okay, that every theory we learn, it will be supported by practical. Because here we need to understand understand a couple of things more, that what has happened in ECC and how the things are going to get modified in SAP S4HANA. Okay, and moreover, another thing here it becomes like this. See, first it started with the version 16, then it went to 17, then with 18, then with 19. Now, as you requested, Amil, that we will go with the base of 17. So what I have done, I have plotted. Okay, first, what I have done, I have plotted the simplification, the 1909 changes. Okay, so we will be taking the base of 17 and we will be studying that. Additionally, what are the things that has happened in all the segments of our logistics module. Okay, so this is the first thing that we are going to do. We are going to take the base as 17, but we are going to study what has happened in 1809. Okay, 1809 also I will put it in an Excel sheet like 1909, because when I put in Excel sheet now, the things will become very clear to you. Okay, that these are the changes. Because if you go for directly for reading the changes, many things will be there. Finance will be there, R&D will be there, in which we are not interested. We are mainly interested in the logistics module. So that is the first thing. So we should, and another thing that we should always think that here many of the things are, we have to run on theoretical aspect, and many of the things I will show you practically also. Okay, that these are the things that we will show you in the system. It is not that our core MM course where we go for all the things in practical. Most of the things in practical we can replicate. Okay. Because and another thing is that you must be knowing that when we study SAP ECC, okay, in SAP ECC we have got one demo version. It is called IDS version. Okay. So where all the master data are already there, and we take the help of those, and we go ahead to learn the subject or the module in which we are interested. But here the thing is that as because this is SAP S4HANA is very quite new, lot of IDS data is not there. Okay, most of the system that we get is totally a blank system. So some of the difficulties will come. So please adjust with me. Okay. So now going to the course content, we will go to the course content. Okay. So first is yeah. Tell me.
Sorry for interfering. I just wanted to set my expectation before we start.
Please. I also wanted to ask you.
So my expectation is I wanted to give the certification exam for 1709.
Okay.
So why I'm saying this, so that you can teach me and you can guide me accordingly, which will help me in passing the certification exam for 1709.
Okay. So what I will do? Okay, I did. Yeah, I think so. I missed that. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what I will do? I have got all the certification material, certification. What are the things that are going to come? Okay, I will teach you exactly in the certification way. And while teaching also, I will tell you that this point is important and this point will come in the certification exam. Okay, and and another thing is that in certification, 3 books will be there. I will write now in the Excel sheet. 3 books will be there. Okay, so let us start with that only, with your expectation. See, I will tell you the brief example of the books. S4H01. Okay, these books you have got?
No, I haven't got any material.
Oh my goodness. S4H1. Okay, S4PR1. S4PR1. I will tell you the structure. From these 3 books, okay, in the certification exam, 35% of the questions will come. Okay, 35% of the questions will come. 50%. And from the ECC, 65% of the questions will come. This will be the distribution. Okay. ECC, that 4 books are there with you, or?
Yeah, that 4 books is there with me.
Okay. So that 4 books are there with you, no? So this 35%. Okay. Yeah, in the S4801, this material, see these materials are not so big materials as those 4 books. Okay, these are very short materials. So this is not a problem. Okay, in S4801, they are going to mainly teach you about the HANA HANA database, and the total overview. Okay, overview. In the S4LG1, they are going to teach you that mainly they are going to stress. This will become a little bit difficult for you. Why? In S4LG1, because the thing is that in this book they will explain you that what are the simplifications that has happened.
Okay.
Simplifications that has happened across logistics module. Happened across logistics module. Across logistics module. Logistics module. Okay. And in S4P or PR1, they are going to tell you about the entire procurement. Entire procurement. Procurement. Entire procurement in S4HANA, in S4HANA environment. Okay. So here, what will happen, in the logistics module here, one scenario they will show with EWM, one scenario they will show in production planning, one scenario they will show in SD. So here, actually, as because you are from okay, you are from and you do not know EWM or production planning or SD. Okay, I don't know whether you know or not. Okay, here the problem will come. So here, what I will do, I will explain you in a simple way. Okay, so that at least you can answer the questions. So that much I will do. Okay. That much I will do. Okay. So these are these are 3 books. Okay. So then you want me to teach you in the certification way, or in the or in which way? If you want to want that I should teach you in the certification way, then I will go with whatever the things that is there in this book S4H1. Okay, or you want to teach me in not in a certification way, in going and doing good in the interviews. So those things are a little bit different, because if you want to teach me the certificate, see, in both the things many things will be common, but in certification, as you know, the angle of questions are a little bit different. So you tell me. Yeah.
So of course, certification, because I'm already working. So interview is not a concern for me.
Okay. We'll do that like that then. Okay, we'll do like that. Yeah. As for H01, we will see as for H01. So then we'll okay. Then what I will do? Okay, as because today is the introduction class. Okay, I will have so what I will do? I will restructure this course content according to the okay. I got that also. It's not a problem. I can show you in the screen sharing. Okay. It is training.sb.com. Okay, Preeti, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Have a nice evening. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So if I go here, okay, if I go to procurement.
Hello, Sandeep sir.
Yeah.
Good news. Mika has cleared the global certification.
Very good.
He's got
Very
73.
good. Very good. Very good.
He
So
just
this is
called me, so I just.
so we should celebrate, right?
Yeah,
Very good.
I told him we
Very
need
good.
a party, so
Very
Saturday he'll be
good.
coming.
Very good.
All right, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Very good. So. This is not one. I will tell you. Why it is not coming in S401? S4H. Yeah, I will show you the 1610 version, but 17.9 also I have got. So, hello, are you able to see?
Yes, yes, I'm able to see.
Yes, yes,
So this
yes.
is the actual book.
Yeah, yeah. This is actual book. So, you have to get this book. You have to get
I
this
have to
book.
buy this book. I have to get this book from.
See, the thing is that buying, 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 I can give you some in the internet also. It is there. That address is there. But from this book only the question will be asked.
Okay, so sir, please give me the address, the URL of this book, so that I can
Okay.
download it.
Oh, okay. Okay. So see, it is this discover SAP Fiori application. Then I will start with this with describing the need of a new
Okay.
business suite, introduction to SAP S4HANA. So this is the first book we have to complete. Okay. So
Okay.
in this book, so okay, fine. I will start like this only. Okay. So you do one thing. You do one thing. You do Sunny, you are there. Hello. Just wait. Just wait. Sunny, just I will talk to him. Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. Huh?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Hi, Amit. Hello.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yeah. I just now spoke to Sunny. I will type you. I will type you now only. I will give you one email ID. Okay. Here you can write.
Okay.
Okay. Control C. You can write him. Uh, in this. Share. Control V. Yeah. See, did you get the message? SAP materials for you at gmail.com.
Yeah, I got the message.
Here you write to this person, immediately he will respond. Okay. These these three materials I need.
Okay.
These three materials I need. That is S for H01, S for LG1, and S for PR1. No need to write this sentences, simplification. I need this material for 1709. 1709. So what he will
Okay.
do, he will send you some samples. Okay, samples of the book. Not the whole book he will send first. Okay, he will send you some samples. After you see the samples, okay, by seeing the sample, you will easily understand that. And he's very genuine also. Many people buy outside from him, but don't disclose to anybody that you have bought. This is totally SAP material. So it will be. This is 1609. I have. Uh, okay, he will tell you. 1709 we can identify. Okay, let him give. Okay, 1709. 1609. Just wait. Yeah, 1610 version it will be written. Okay, it will be written on the when he gives the file to you. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these three books you buy, okay, and by the time you don't sit idle, okay, you do, then we will go unit by unit discussing, okay. You read the unit 1 and unit 2 of the first book, S for H01. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Then next week we will the next week we will close this unit 1 and unit 2. Okay.
Okay.
Or no, we will do one thing. We will close unit 1, unit 2, and unit 3. And I will give the questions also. What is going to come from here? And those questions will only come.
And so from where I will read this, because I have to get those material from the other person, so I don't know when he
Yeah,
will send.
yes. The materials you will send it very fast. Today only, now only you drop them in. That I need these three materials for S4HANA procurement 17.9 version. Okay. Then what he will do, he will immediately respond to you. Okay. Now if
And
it
so
if it
what?
doesn't,
How much he
uh,
will charge?
that I don't know. That I don't know. That he will tell you. Okay, that I don't know because I never bought from him. This I bought from office only. Okay, so he will tell you the rate also. Okay, and after he say after he sends this one after he sends you just tell me. Okay, I will share my mobile number also to you. Okay, mobile number don't share with anybody, but I will share with 966 309 6344. Okay.
Sandeep, so this is your mobile number, right?
My mobile number, yes, 966. Okay. So, or you can inform Sunny also. Sunny can inform me. So first you buy the because otherwise, if you don't have the book, just I will explain you like that. It doesn't carry any meaning. Oh, so you first buy the book. Okay, buy the book and we will go according to the book only because you want to clear the certification. No? So we will go according to the book only. That will be much better. Okay.
Okay, so you want me to read unit 1, 2, and 3 first, right? Then we can close this 1, 2, 3 in the next week.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. We will close because 1, 2, 3. These unit 2 you are seeing now. Okay, I will explain you what is this unit 2 now. Okay. See, in our SAP ECC version, okay, in our SAP ECC version compared to S4HANA, okay, what they have done, they have put one new user interface. Okay, that is called Fiori. Okay, Fiori applications. Okay, see, you are seeing, no? It is written Fiori
Yeah.
applications. SAP
Yeah.
Fiori applications. What is the advantage of Fiori applications? First of all, it is very user friendly. Okay, it will be all written in the book. It is very user friendly, and moreover, many of the, and Fiori is only going to be the future. Okay, they will purely remove SAP GUI. In Fiori, you can do and Fiori you can access in a mobile or in a tablet or in a smartphone, in anything. Okay, any device. And Fiori is very user friendly. Users can easily get the idea of bar charts, graphs, and all that, which is not so good in our SAP GUI. Okay, and clicking on the, we'll see that, or even clicking on the bar chart only, it will take me to the analysis of a vendor. Suppose he has not performed well in the past 6 months, he has failed the delivery. Okay, so those things we can do. So
Okay.
so now that is a new user interface that they have added. I will show you. I'll show you, right. Let us see this. Now this is the Fiori. This is the Fiori app.
Okay.
Okay. So in this we can do a lot of things. Suppose we can create purchase order. Even the GUI transactions will create purchase orders using this app. They have not create purchase order in them. We can create a purchase order from here also. Okay. So like this. So now this will explain you. So this unit will explain you how to operate the Fiori Launchpad. Okay, Launchpad, and after that, Unit 3 will explain you that what is the how the database has got changed. That how the data gets stored. How initially in ECC how the data used to get stored, and in HANA database how the data will get stored. So it will tell you that. So one is a Fiori Launchpad, and this one is the exploring the HANA database. This one we will do. Okay. And this exercise we will do it later, exploring the HANA database. Okay, this we do it later. First, after that we will go into the applications. Okay. So
Okay.
So you just write a mail to him. Acha, you just share your email ID to me.
Okay, I'm just sharing it.
Yeah, just share in the chat box only.
Did you get?
Okay. Amir1.svmm@gmail.com. No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. So by this week what I will do, I will prepare the certification questions. I have already got the certification questions. I will just join it. Okay. So I will join for these 2 sections. Okay. What are the certification questions? It is going to come, and those questions will only come. Otherwise, no questions will come. Whatever I don't tell, it will come. Sure. Okay. So
Sandeep sir, I require one clarification.
Please tell me.
So from this 3 book, 35% of the question will come and 65% will come from the old ECC 4 books, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So clearing certification will not be a problem. When I tell this 35%, whatever questions I'm going to tell, those questions are only going to come. Because the first certification batch which I took in this institute, that was the first SAP S4HANA batch in my career. Okay, they came from Capgemini. They did their certification from Atos. They never knew anything. Okay, I'm telling quota arrangement, they are not able to tell me in which material master field quota arrangement is there. Okay, such was their standard. Then I thought that I lost hope on them. So what I did, I made them study these 3 books. Whatever practical I showed them. After that, I made the questions. I made the questions and gave it to them. You just make the questions. These are the options. You just mug up and they cleared. They told me that as because our 65% did not go well. In that we scored, I think so, 50 only. But in this we scored full out of full. So you be very confident that whatever questions I will tell, it will come from that only and nothing else. I'll be very such a. So. But the questions, but always it is always better if somebody tells you also to read the book and the book this one 17. You write to him. I need 1709 only.
Yeah, I will write to him right now. Not an issue.
And now only I think so. Within 2 hours only he will tell you what is the and he will send you three samples of the book.
Okay.
These are the books. You will tell okay, then there will be a payment link. I think so. You will give in that payment link. You have to pay to him. But this one he will give the books. That is for sure. Because most of our people they take from him only. This mail ID they take from him only. Okay. Okay then. Yeah.
So we are beginning our session from next week then. Okay.
Yeah. Next week we'll start with Fiori and HANA database.
Okay. Sir, I have one question. Can you just explain me what is the difference between ECC and HANA? This is one question which I have been asked, so I'm not clear. That's why I'm asking you.
What is the question? Difference between
ECC and S4HANA?
Okay. See, the difference is very clear. Okay. First I will explain you. Okay. There is a difference between. I will write it here. There is a difference between. There is a difference between HANA and S4HANA. Now, first, what used to happen for ECC? ECC can run on Oracle database. Now, ECC can run on Oracle database. Okay. What was the problem? It was happening with ECC. See, this I am explaining you in a very simple way. And this thing is only happening. They are putting a lot of coating on that. Okay. ECC can run on Oracle database. Okay. Now, what was happening in this type of databases? These are called traditional databases. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah. I'm saying
traditional database. In the traditional database, the storage of the data is based on column row. Okay. Storage. Okay. So,
okay.
but HANA database. So what was happening? Suppose you put a query. Okay. You put a query means you go to SC16. You put a query. Put a query means what are the purchase orders that has been created in the last 10 days for SAP user 1, 2, 3. Okay. The system will try to go to unnecessary fields and such and go to the necessary field and at the last. Okay. This we'll see when we'll see the structure of the database.
Okay.
So, and it was taking a long time to give us the data. So, SAP came up with HANA database. SAP came with HANA database. Now, it can happen that the SAP will run on SAP ECC will run, but it will take HANA database. That is also possible. That is called a sidecar scenario. In no sidecar scenario, in That's called the sidecar scenario. ECC will run, but it will run on HANA database from EHP7. EHP7. From EHP7, they told that yes, you can only transfer the database. There is no need to transfer all the things. Okay. So
Okay.
it's okay. They're okay. And the Oracle database got removed. Another database came. Okay. That is called database conversion. Database conversion. Database conversion. Now, SAP thought that okay, we have converted the database. Data is coming very fast now. Transactions are running very fast. We have the transactions which used to take 5 minutes to run, it is now taking 5 seconds to run. Very good. Why don't we write our business suite? Business suite means suppose vendor master data and customer master data.
Okay.
I will take the example. Vendor master data and customer master data. Vendor master data and customer master data. Why should they be different? Because we are maintaining vendor master data and customer master data at company. Vendor master data is maintained at company code level, purchasing organization level, general data level. Customer master data is maintained from SD side into the company code level, SD level, and general data level. Only the organization matters. That too only one organization. One is purchasing organization, one is your sales organization. Otherwise, company code, general data remains both the same. Here also you need company code. Here also you need company code.
Correct.
So, and both of them are our business partners. Business partners, the definition of business partners in layman term is the person who is taking my business forward. Vendor is also taking my business forward. Customer is also taking my business forward. Without vendor and customer, my business is of no value. So why don't I bring them in one consolidated database table? Why two different tables? Okay, fine. They made this new thing. BP. So this business partner concept was there before in ECC also. In ECC, if you put BP, it will work. Okay, but now they thought that why we will do the creation in two different places. We will do the creation in one different place or one place only, and we will differentiate through the roles. That's all. Okay, in one place creation, so the effort got reduced. Okay. Now today I saw in 1809 version another good thing, innovation. Suppose in my customer where I am working now, they create text-based PO, text-based purchase orders, text-based purchase orders. Now in the text-based purchase orders, still in the purchase order, you have to put a material group.
Okay.
Otherwise, the purchase order will not get saved. Material group is a mandatory place in the PO. You will see. Okay, tomorrow morning. Yeah. Now, I am not understanding. I am buying a table tennis board for my people to play. Okay, or a television. Okay, which material group shall I put? The system has got now in 1809. They have put a thing called Copilot. That they have put that immediately by reading the text, he will be able to understand that which material group I shall suggest to this user, rather than he going to F4 and finding out with so many 100, 200 entries that which is the correct material group. That also he has done. Okay, so these are called the simplifications. These will work only in the HANA database. This will not work ECC with the normal Oracle and all these database. Another is, I told you that day, the first day. Another is that you go to any MRP transaction, MD01, MD02, MD03. What will happen? Everywhere you will either MD01. The problem is that you put MD01, all the plants it will go on searching. Okay, it will take a long time. MD02 and MD03 single material, multiple materials are not there. So I need one transaction which will give me multiple materials, multiple plants, okay, and very fast. So they did MD01M, which will run only on the HANA database. So after converting the database, the business also came up with some of the requirements, the new requirements that you put the simplifications. Okay, so those are called the simplifications. Those simplifications will run only on HANA database, not in our traditional database. So this is the difference. So this is the difference.
Okay.
The main difference between HANA database and ECC database is the way the data is getting stored. And these and whatever the things I have explained you, the later part, vendor master data, customer master, these are called the simplifications. These SAP has written the business, has rewritten the business suite. Rewritten the business suite means they thought that why don't we write the codes again? That codes means the programs again that which will run on the HANA database. So they wrote the programs again that to create the vendor master data, you should go to BP, not to XK01 or MK01. Okay, if you go to XK01, it will throw obsolete. Okay, like that. So first, what now the people are doing? The people are first. The approach was that first you convert your database. First, the database will be converted. The system conversion actually takes place in two steps, mainly two steps. We'll start studying all this. Two steps. First is the database conversion. First is database has to be converted. Database conversion. Okay. If you go to here, okay, system status. Okay. See, it is HDB. See, it is HDB. Are you able to see? It is HDB.
HANA database.
HANA database. If you go here, okay, you will find S4 core. What is this S4 core? After doing this database conversion, HDB will come into picture. HDB will come into picture. Okay. This is the first step. First step. Second step is that. Second step is the simplifications. What are meant by simplifications? That don't use MK01, XK01, XD01, BT01 to create customer. You directly go to BP and do. Those are called the, don't run MRP through MD02 or MD03. You do through MD01M. So those are called the simplifications. And all the simplifications they have done, they release and they give one Excel sheet. If I go, you see, these are the Excel sheet. This is the Excel sheet of the simplifications. If you go, put it here, select all. If you put F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So this is master data. This is TR, QM, PP, MM. MM is also there. Logistics, MMIM. So okay. So these are all availability of transactions in. So and at the last, they have given one SAP note also, which will tell that this functionality is not available. You go to the new functionality. Okay, like this, they keep on releasing, release by release. Okay, so those releases will not come in your system if you don't do the second step. And second step, when you implement, it will come as S4 core. What I showed you, this thing will come. This thing means all the simplifications are there. S4 core. So first is the HDB, then this is S4 core. First is the shift of the database, and second is the simplifications. These simplifications will run only on HANA database, no other database. If you go to ECC and put MD01N, EHP7, it will tell, yes, it is there, but it will run only on HANA database. Okay. So any more questions you have about this?
No. Got my answer.
But unfortunately, in this certification exam book, no, all these they have not spoken about all these simplifications. Many simplifications have come. Okay, and many they have. This simplification. Suppose the example that vendor, this one, this text-based PO. Okay, this simplification, it has come in 1809. Even that also I got it here. Because if I go to my folder, simplification, this I will put in an Excel sheet and give it to you. So this will give you an additional knowledge. Delta logistics.
Yeah.
Okay, let us first close one by one. Let us close the certification points. Then we can go for this. Okay. So these are, so if you go to in yes.
So the example which you have given of the MK01 and XK01, and in S4HANA it will go through BP business partner. So I have, matlab, I was doing the post migration review of S4HANA, so I have faced this issue. So I could relate it.
हाँ लेकिन तुम्हारा इसमें क्या होगा मालूम है? जैसे तुम बीपी क्रिएट करोगे ना, उसका साथ ही तुम्हारा अकाउंट ग्रुप को लेके एक वेंडर नंबर भी क्रिएट हो जाएगा, वो जाके वो 3 टेबल को अपडेट कर देगा वेंडर का LFM1, LFA1, LFB1, though you are not running that MK01 transaction.
Okay.
या ये भी तुम कर सकते हो कि I will tell you the name of the table. Okay, suppose तुम्हारा ECC से I will show you everything. Okay, but in this certification the scope is very limited. When the data comes from ECC to your S4HANA, there is one table. Okay, there is one table that will link. That this was your business partner number in ECC, and this is your business partner number. And this is the vendor number in ECC. This has got mapped to this business partner number in S4HANA. ठीक है?
Okay.
वो हाँ EDI inbound IDOC main बोल क्या है? उधर वो मैपिंग होगा. You know, I am very fluent in Hindi also, so हम लोग हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं.
हाँ कोई नहीं सर, फिर तो हिंदी में. I thought कि you are from Bangalore, तो you are not very comfortable.
नहीं. We are from, but I am not from Bangalore. I am typically from Calcutta only. But we speak because my daughter's first language is Hindi only, so we are Bengalis. So as a we speak all 3 languages in our house.
Sandeep sir, your full name is?
My full name is Sandeep Saha. You can find me in LinkedIn also. So I don't want to discuss my profile with you. There it is. There it is fully there. Okay, there it is fully there.
Yeah.
I say I am not a professional tutor, nothing. I am full time working only. जो खाली टाइम मिलता है तो मैं करता हूँ. इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है मालूम है? See, the main thing is that this SAP is trying what happened actually. The thing is 1994 to 2000, 1994 to 2002 or 3. Okay, SAP did not do any developments. I came in SAP in the year of 2006. Now it is 2019. Okay, now 14 years. Now SAP did not do any developments. After that, digitalization started. Okay,
yeah,
these web-based things started coming. One of their other products failed. Okay, first CRM failed. Okay, massive failure. SRM also failed. Now SRM, CRM, all are going to get removed. Those are web-based. After that, they thought that no, we have to also go for digitalization. Okay, now they are doing the things so fast that older products are not getting stabilized. Before that, they're launching the new one.
Yeah.
So in S4HANA, that is one of the main big problems. Okay, suppose this Fiori apps, no, this Fiori apps sometimes it takes time to run. Okay, so what I told you that and the new user in the Fiori.
Yeah.
So if you are after and the main thing is that after you do this S4HANA, I don't know what is your future plans. If you go for certification, then you go for a job. Okay, you change your job. So then now the people's viewpoint it has shifted. That as because you are coming as a logistics expert, you should know all the fields of logistics. That is at least SD, MMPP. इसका ना simplification क्या हुआ है, but changes क्या हुआ है. That their expectation is it is increased now. So यही थोड़ा सा difficulty हो. But the main core thing is in ECC only. If you can understand ECC, this functionality, it will be very easy to understand. Okay. So, okay, we'll do. You first get the books, otherwise books.